Hi guys, welcome back to our online learning. Today I will bring you to a very different topic, which is how to access to the mock test on AIWA and how to do AIWA mock test. So first of all, as you know that we are using the platform which is AIWAS Plus at the moment, and you're gonna do the mock test on AIWAS Plus. So all you need to do is log into your account. And from your account, you see next to practice, which is mocks. Right, so next to practice, mocks, which is where you do the mock test. Right now, to do the mock test, you need to contact the admin so they can be able to give you the access to the mock test. And as you check our schedule, we have specific day for the mock test, which is on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Right. But first of all, what is mock test? Right. So first of AIWAS Plus is an upgraded artificial intelligence with automatic scoring platform. So we used to have AIWAS before, but this version is a completely new version. It has been updated and upgraded. Right now, AIWAS mock test is a computer-based mock test, which is built from artificial intelligence scoring and similar to Pearson PTE Academic exam. Right, so whatever you do on AIWAS is gonna show you a similar score compared with the PT exam. Okay. Right, now next one. I will show you how AIWAS mock test look like. Right, why should I take the mock test? Well, apparently you take mock test to know your current level of English. Depend on your target score. Some of you aim for 50, some aim for 65, some aim for 79 plus. And you can be able to know whether you have reached to your desired score or not. AIWAS mock test show your performance, which is scored by a computer. As it also produces a report to explain your performance, such as where are your mistakes and the weak areas to improve. Okay, it's very good. I would say I will show you the AIWAS mock test report. Now, taking a mock test will help you to prepare for your exam in a better way. You will learn from your mistake and try to improve it, as well as knowing the test structure and time management skill. Now, this is important because for those who are new to PT exam, I will recommend you to do as many mock tests as you can before your exam. So you can be able to learn how to manage your time as well as knowing the test structure. So you can be able to prepare better, okay? When should I take the mock test? Well, apparently you can take it at the beginning of the course in order to know your current level of English. Right after you have covered all of the techniques and strategies from the lecture and spend at least a week to practice. Right after that, you can take one mock test per week. Well, I recommend at least one mock test per week, and you should take at least 2 mock tests per week when it is closer to your exam.